Hi, my loves! Welcome to Summer Glow Up episode 2. I am Belle and I will be your yogi guide for today's practice. Today is going to be a 45-second interval flows with 15-second rest in between. So move mindfully, move with love. Honor your body wherever it's at. Take rest when you need. Stay hydrated. And without further ado, love your body and let's begin.
Have been overthinking all the things I'd wanna say. If I saw you at the coffee shop we went to every day. Thinking, but the words just never came. So I'm never going back, you wouldn't be there anyways. Listen to some music after thinking way too long. And I swear I never choose it, but I always hear your songs. Listen and listen, I can't help but sing along. Cause I miss singing with you even if I know it's wrong. Run away from the things I'm feeling. I won't say cause it has no meaning. Waiting for the day I replace it. I hate it but I don't hate it. No, I don't want to be weird about it. All I want's to be clear with how it is. I know you're better off without me. Even if I miss you, I'll make sure you're not around me. Cause I don't wanna be that guy coming in and out your life. From the day that I confessed, kinda made your life a mess. Only seen you at your best ever since the day I left. And I don't wanna keep you close if I'm hurting you the most. I try to keep my distance from you for some time. Cause I don't ever wanna be that guy. I've been writing lyrics just to try to pay the rent, but it's kinda hard for me to even make a couple cents. Writing and I'm writing, but I know that in the end it's just another dumb excuse to try to get you out my head. Take a break from writing and I light out in my room. Doing nothing isn't something that I usually like to do. Cause nothing isn't nothing when I remember the truth. The reason I do anything's to get away from you. Run away from the things I'm feeling. I won't say cause it has no meaning. Waiting for the day I replace it. Can't take it but I don't hate it. No, I don't want to get in your way, but I won't lie, it's been hard for me to face it. But it don't matter if I'm hurting. If it makes you happier then everything is worth it. Cause I don't wanna be that guy coming in and out your life. From the day that I confessed, kinda made your life a mess. Only seen you at your best ever since the day I left. And I don't wanna keep you close if I'm hurting you the most. I'll try to keep my distance from you for some time. Cause I don't ever wanna be that guy. I don't wanna be someone you don't wanna see. It's hard for me to know that you're better on your own, yeah. I know that you're gone, so why can't I just move on, yeah. Sometimes I wish that I could see you. Sometimes I think I really need to run away from the things I'm feeling. Can't say that it has no meaning. By now I should know the answer. It don't matter, but if it matters then I won't say it. try to keep my distance from you for some time, 'cause I'm not ever gonna be. Lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. One day I woke up with you on my bed. I couldn't even remember a thing we said. I was wondering if I ever really liked you up against my body, but it's like I'm not beside you. Can't think of a reason I should keep you close. Can't say you're the one I need the most, and I know that you can't say it either. Looking at your mirror like you don't wanna be hurt. You're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. And it don't matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind. I know it's been hard and complicated. I know what you know, but you never say it. One of these days, gotta face the truth. I'm not made for me, I'm not made for you. The best place for me is away from you. Lying in bed, I'm never facing you, and I'm hoping that I might make you mad, so every night you won't wanna face me too. Yeah, I could list the problems for a million years, but I don't wanna spend another minute with you here. I think you've probably had enough. I'll go ahead and be the one who pray to God yourself. 'Cause lately, you're never on my mind. I'm trying hard to find a way to tell myself it's fine, but I know that, baby, I'm never on your mind. No matter how hard we try, 'cause you're never on my mind.
I've been out of my head, can't get out of bed. Too much on my brain, but got it good, can't complain. It's like I'm losing my mind, and time's hard to find. What's a girl gotta do to catch a break up? When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. Nothing's in my way. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. I put a dress on today, I don't care what you say. And I'm ignoring my phone, so don't try to reach me. I can't do nothing for you, so don't ask, I ain't coming through. 'Cause I'm running away to my own world, that's where I'll stay. When life tries to test me, I take it one day at a time. 'Cause I was crying yesterday, but look at me today. It has been so long since I wrote a sad song. Sunshine on my face, I'm feeling okay. There's always room for better days. Now I know how to live life with a smile on my face. Nothing ever stays the same. There's always room for better days. I was crying yesterday, but look at me now, 'cause I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Say I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
Chase that high that you provide. Drive 9-5 to feel alive. Tell my mind to flow like tide, but it's hard. Starlight blur across state lines. Palm outside to face the sky. Another night goes by. I can't describe what you are. Yeah. But you could be the one to make me wanna come through. Feel like being brand new. Over you, over you. You could be the one to make me wanna come through. Feel like being brand new. Over you, over
That's it for today. Well done, my love. Pat yourself on the back for showing up. Give yourself a high five. And remember, you are always enough. I'll see you next time. Namaste.